Mastering would in passive voice. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to explore a very specific, yet powerful area of English grammar, using the modal verb, would, in passive voice. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's an incredible tool to add sophistication and nuance to your English. Before we dive into passive voice, let's take a moment to understand would as a modal verb. Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations, polite requests, or actions in the past. For example, I would go to the party if I didn't have work tomorrow. Hypothetical: would you please pass the salt? Polite request: when I was a kid, I would play soccer every day. Past habit. Now, let's remember what passive voice is all about. In a passive sentence, the subject receives the action rather than performing it. For example, consider this active sentence. The cat ate the fish. In passive voice, this becomes, the fish was eaten by the cat. Notice how the focus shifts from the doer, the cat, to the receiver of the action, the fish. Now that we've got the basics down, let's combine these concepts and see how would can be used in passive sentences. This is generally used to discuss hypothetical situations or polite requests. For instance, the report would be completed by Monday. Hypothetical situation: would the door be opened, please? Polite request. Remember, the structure is subject plus would plus be plus past participle. Great! Now let's try to create some sentences of our own. Try turning these active sentences into passive using would. 1. I would bake a cake for the party. 2. She would write the report before Friday. 3. They would help you if you asked. Take your time and when you're ready, check the answers below. 1. A cake would be baked for the party by me. 2. The report would be written before Friday by her. 3. You would be helped if you asked them. And that's it. We've just mastered how to use would in passive voice. This is a fantastic skill to add to your English toolkit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to create your own sentences using this structure. Keep practicing and you'll find your English becoming more nuanced and versatile. See you in our next lesson.